guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a e.l.f. makeup tutorial. So I have done an e.l.f. makeup tutorial on my channel before, but today is more of an updated version. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get started. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Aqua Primer Mist. It comes out very aggressively, that primer does, that mist. Whew! And then for primer, I'm going in with my e.l.f. Moisture Lock Matte Primer, using my Real Techniques stippling brush. And then for foundation, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream, and mine is in the shade Fair 120. I recently did a review of this on my channel, so I'll link it down below for you if you are interested in watching. And to apply it, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Buffing Foundation Brush. And then for concealer, I'm using the e.l.f. 16 Hour Wear Camo Concealer in the shade Light Sand. And I'm going to blend that in with my Real Techniques contour brush. Then I'm going to set my face then with the e.l.f. loose powder, and this is in the shade Soft Luminance. So I'm going to use my e.l.f. small tapered brush to set around my eye area first. And then I'm going to set the rest of my face with my You Spicy 31 brush. Okay, so now I'm going to contour using the e.l.f. contour palette, and I'm going into the contour shade here with my You Spicy 27 brush. And then I'm going into the e.l.f. bronzing palette using my Real Techniques blush brush. I'm going to take the top shade here and just bronze up the skin. Okay, now for blush, I'm going into the bronzer and blush duo by e.l.f. and this is in the shade Fiji, and it's a matte blush. I'm just going to take that on my other Real Techniques blush brush. Okay, now I'm going to go in with some highlight. So I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Baked Blush, but it's a highlight, in the shade Pinktastic, using my Real Techniques Satin brush. Okay, now time to do my eyes. Okay, so I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Mad for Matte eyeshadow palette in the shade Summer Breeze. This is what it looks like. And I'm also going to be using some of the e.l.f. Quad eyeshadows, so I'm going to be using a mixture today. So first of all, I'm going to take my Morphe R37 crease brush, and I'm going to go in with the second shade in here, and I'm going to pop that through the crease. Okay, so I'm then going to use my Morphe M412 brush, and I'm going to go in with this darker shade here, second one from the end, and I'm going to pop that on the outer corners. And then just taking the brush that I used earlier, and I'm just buffing out any harsh lines. So now I'm going to take those two colours on my lower lash line using my Morphe E18 brush. I'm going for an everyday look with this. Okay, now I'm going into one of the quads, and this is the shade Cream and Sugar. These are the eyeshadow quads. And I'm going into the sparkly shade here, like a gold sparkly shade, using my little finger on my lid. And that's it for the eyeshadow, a really natural everyday look. So now I'm going to use the e.l.f. waterproof gel eyeliner in the shade Coffee. Now I don't have an e.l.f. eyebrow gel, so I'm just going to use the NYX Control Freak clear eyebrow gel on my eyebrows. And I also don't have an e.l.f. mascara, so I'm just going to be using the Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. But first I'm going to curl my lashes using my Tweezerman eyelash curlers. Okay, now for lipstick, I'm using the e.l.f. Beautifully Bare Satin Lipstick in the shade Touch of Nude. And that's it, that completes my makeup tutorial from e.l.f. So nearly all the products were e.l.f. except for the eyebrow gel and the mascara. But I really love e.l.f. as a brand. It's super affordable and the products are really good quality. I love how this has turned out. This is a really natural, everyday kind of look. And it was also super easy to do and really quick. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!